Welcome back to Great Day. It is easy to have a smile on my face today because today is probably one of the best days of the year. My friends, it is National Chocolate Cake Day. And for all of you chocolate and cake lovers out there, there's so many awesome options here in St. Louis to choose from. And joining us this morning is Executive Chef Scottie Corrigan and sous chef Sierra Eves from Commonwealth, the brand new restaurant at the Angad Arts Hotel. Just opened in October. Good to see both of you.
Thank you for having us.
So Scottie, I want to start with you. We do have a few things laid out in front of us. What are we looking at?
So these are two of our main desserts, our signature being the Starry Night. It's kind of an interpretation on...
It's beautiful. Literally, it's glittering.
It's an interpretation to have, you know, the Starry Night, but put onto a plate. And it's a beautiful thing from inside and out. It starts off with a dark chocolate torte, which we get the most amazing black cocoa powder from Double Star Farms. So it all begins with that. A really nice, delicate chocolate creme patissiere, a blueberry compote, a tempered chocolate shell, and then finished with a mirror glaze and edible luster dust. So it is very intricate, very fun to play with at the table, so to speak, because you get to crack the shell open and watch it crack and open up. Matt and I
were hoping, and I have no idea what you said about the majority of that, but it looks awesome. I can't wait to taste it. And when we think of chocolate cake, my brain usually goes to brown, but you guys also have a white truffle chocolate cake?
Yes, ma'am. So this is a little bit different take on just kind of white chocolate approaches. It gives us a different edge, a different texture, different techniques, so it kind of keeps everybody on edge. All desserts are made in-house. They all take multiple days to make, but it's worth it in the end.
Oh, of course. And Chef Sierra is putting it together. So what are you doing right now? It looks fancy.
So these are our house sauces. We have a house creme anglaise and then a strawberry gelée that goes over it. And then I will have a cocoa nib crumble, which are house toasted cocoa nibs. We have kind of a little secret magic process that we use with it just to make this really great, deep, sweet flavor for a base for that super rich white chocolate filling.
You just make it look so fancy and delicate and makes me want to eat, basically. Tell us a bit more about the Commonwealth. Just opened a couple months ago.
Yeah, so we try to bring the most modern European approach with things. Also different interpretations as far as classical dishes go that you would find, like tikka masala and things like that, and put our own spin on them. Not so much tradition, but also not compromising any flavors that you normally would be used to. But it is totally different, you know, than what you would normally expect from a dish like that. And then the other part is we have our just absolute culinary freedom and support from our team that allows us to kind of open up new envelopes and keep pushing the bar higher and higher. So that's what we strive for, is to constantly progress in what we do, you know, and offer St. Louis something that you might not find everywhere else, but you know.
I'm sold. I want to check out the Commonwealth. When are you guys open?
We're open Tuesday through Saturday from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. and then breakfast is 7 days a week from 7 to 11.
Perfect. Look how fancy these are. Doesn't it look good? Guys,
well, if you just joined us, that is not just a stick of butter.
No.
That's
it is better than butter, and I love butter.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question seriously? Do you guys, as highly trained chefs, do you ever get angry when you go to that much trouble and days of preparation and you put it in front of somebody and they just inhale it? Because that's what I would do with that. I would never be able to savor that like I probably should.
I take it more as a compliment.
It would
there you go.
Like something I just want to get in me as quickly and efficiently as possible.
I would always rather see a clean plate come back than a filled one. So absolutely.
But take a picture first and post on Instagram and tag them and then devour it. Yeah, you can find this segment on kmov.com/greatday following the show. Matt, 2 words, edible glitter.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Wow. Mind blown.
I always do that with my
you,
servers,
guys.
though. When I hand them an empty plate, I said, tell the chef that was
Yeah, I didn't care for it.